guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Diana Romanovska and I am a certified family law specialist practicing family law in the Bay Area. Today I would like to talk about whether or not you can leave your child unattended, unsupervised, alone at home. I have a case where a mother hired a private investigator to follow my client and found out that he was running out of the home up to 15 minutes at a time to get some groceries, and then came back and left a 2.5-year-old alone. As a result, she filed 2 ex partes restraining order asking for sole custody temporarily for leaving a child unattended. There is no law that states you're not allowed to leave a child alone. However, it is completely not acceptable to leave a child alone for many reasons. Number one, if a child finds something sharp and hurts himself or herself, and the father or mother is not at home, then police, CPS can get involved, and it can result in completely either losing the child to a different parent or to someone else, or it can result in jail time, penalties, all kinds of things. So in this situation, the judge actually made an order and said everything remains in effect. A hearing is set for the future, on a future date, and so the child has to be with someone at all times. And my client told me, culturally, I was left alone a lot of the times, and I didn't even think about it. So I was a little bit surprised because intuitively, people might have different intuition about this. And so that's why I decided to make this video. If you feel like you culturally had this situation where, well, it's okay to leave me alone. If it was okay to leave me alone, why wouldn't I leave my child alone? So the question now becomes, well, at what point is it okay to leave a child alone? When a child is 14, 15, 16. And so looking at the totality of child's development, maturity, I personally, and again, this is just my personal opinion, I would not leave my child alone until age of 16. I watch a bunch of other YouTube videos, other lawyers talking about it, and they say, well, after 12 years maybe. I wouldn't risk it. Until I exactly can be sure that this child is absolutely supervised, maybe with, if I run across the street and I have my webcam and I can see what's going on and I'm very close by, maybe if the child is very mature. So again, personally, I have a 1-year-old, so it's kind of hard for me to say 16, 14, and 12 because I don't know how she's going to be at that age. But that's just my personal opinion. So I hope that was helpful, and I will see you soon. Bye.